A warm welcome to you all. I'm Deborah Mersibai from Sri Balaji College of Nursing. I'm an associate professor in Fundamentals of Nursing Department. Today I'm going to teach you degrees of comparison in English. There are 3 degrees of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. First we'll see positive degree. Positive degree of comparison is used to state the quality of a person or a thing without comparing it with other persons or things. The form of the adjective is not changed. Examples: long, quiet, expensive, young. Okay, these are the examples of positive degree. Now, adjectives. Adjectives are defined as words that describe a noun or a pronoun. Are words that describe a person, a place, a thing, or an event. Degrees of comparison are used when we describe a person or a thing. Adjectives make the comparison. Remember, adjectives are describing words, as I said, and examples of positive degree adjectives are fast, slow, big, and small. And we've seen some other adjectives: long, quiet, expensive, and young. So these are examples of positive degree comparison. Positive comparison is used for when we only describe one person or one thing. Example: the house is big. The house is big. Here we describe only one house and you are saying it is big. So this is positive degree comparison. The boy is fast on his bicycle. So here you are describing the boy and you are saying he is fast on this bicycle. So you are not comparing him with any other person. So this is positive degree. Fast is an adjective and it is the example of positive degree comparison. That girl is smart. That girl is smart. So this is the example of another positive degree example. Smart is an adjective and you are describing only one girl and you are saying that girl is smart. The radio was loud. So here you are describing the noun the radio and you are saying it was loud. Next, degrees of comparison. It is comparative degree. First one we have seen positive and now comparative degree. Comparative degree, this is when we compare two people or two things to each other. So when we compare two people or two things to each other, you will say that as comparative degree. And the rule to make comparative degree is you have to add ER to the adjective. For example, fast is the positive degree. When you want to use that in a comparative degree sentence, you have to add ER to the adjective. So fast becomes faster in comparative degree. Slow becomes slower in comparative degree. Big, bigger. Small, smaller. Tall, taller. So you are adding ER to the adjective. See the example. I am tall. He is taller. I am tall and he is taller. I am tall is the positive degree and he is taller is comparative degree. So he is taller than me. You are comparing yourself with another person. So that is comparative degree. Now we'll see some examples of comparative degree. The house is big, but my house is bigger. The house is big, but my house is bigger. The boy is fast on his bicycle, but I am faster. So the boy is fast, that is positive degree. And he's faster than me is comparative degree. So boy is fast on his bicycle, but I'm faster. Faster. The radio was loud, but the television was louder. Here you are saying the radio was loud, but the television was louder. You are comparing two nouns, the radio and the television. And you are saying the radio was loud, it is positive. But the TV was louder than radio, it is comparative. And now some example with adding more to the adjective. Adjectives ending in full or E, we use more. So painful becomes more painful. Hopeful, it is adjective ends with full. So you should add more. Hopeful becomes more hopeful. Beautiful is more beautiful. Expensive is more expensive. So the adjectives ending in full or E, we use more. Exceptions to the rule. So the first rule is, I said, it is adding ER to the adjective, and the second rule is adding more to the adjective, like adjectives ending in full or E, you have to use more. And there are exceptions to the rule. Good, better, bad, worse, many or much is the positive degree, and more is the comparative form. Little, few or less, and far, farther or further. Old is the positive form, and older or elder is the comparative form. And the last is degrees of comparison. The third one is superlative degree. Superlative degree is used when comparing more than two people or things. So it is to compare two people or things with another. And the rule to make superlative degree is to add est to the adjective. Fast is the positive form, faster is comparative, and fastest is the superlative. You are adding est to the superlative and er to the comparative. And nothing will be added in the base form of the adjective. So that is positive. And slow, slower, slowest, big, bigger, biggest, small, smaller, smallest, tall, taller, and tallest, and short, shorter, and shortest. So these are the examples of superlative degree. Now we'll see some examples. He was the fastest in the bicycle race. He was the fastest in the bicycle race. So there are so many persons in the race, but you are comparing him with more than two persons, and you are saying, oh, he was the fastest in the bicycle race. She was the smartest girl in the class. You are comparing her with other girls in the classroom. So she was the smartest girl in the class. The biggest house on the block was for sale. The slowest computer in the class belonged to Miss Brockway. Superman was the strongest and fastest of all the superheroes, but Spider-Man was the most flexible. Painful, more painful is the comparative form, and you should add most to the superlative form. So adjectives ending in full or E, we use most. So painful, more painful, and most painful. hopeful, more hopeful, most hopeful. Beautiful, more beautiful is the comparative form, and most beautiful. Flexible, more flexible, and most flexible. So remember, adjectives ending in full or e, we use most. And exceptions to the rule. And as we saw, the first rule is adding est to the adjective, and the second is adding most, and the exception to the rule is good, better, and best. Bad, worse, worst. Many or much, more, and most. Little or few, less, and least. Now identify the degree. The lion is a strong animal. The lion is a strong animal. It is the positive degree because you are describing only lion with an adjective. Describing one thing or one person is positive degree. So the lion is a strong animal is positive. Rochella is the kindest of all. So you are comparing Rochella with more than two persons. So it is the superlative. And by seeing this est, you can identify the degree. You can say this is superlative degree. The apple is sweeter than the pear. It is comparative. So see, the apple is sweeter than the pear. You are comparing two nouns, the apple and the pear. So this is comparative form. It is a tall building is positive degree. You are describing only one building. So it is a tall building. Facilitator Anthea had the most wonderful birthday cake. So she had the most wonderful birthday cake is the superlative degree. Cats are bigger than mice. This is an exercise. So the answer is bigger. Big is the positive form, bigger is comparative form, and biggest is superlative form. And you are comparing cats and mice. So two nouns are here. So this is comparative degree. So adding bigger is the correct answer. Cats are bigger than mice. Dogs are tame. You are describing only one thing, dog. So dogs are tame, positive degree. Birds are cute. Bunnies are cuter. But cats are the cutest pets. You are comparing cat with two nouns, bunnies and birds. So you are saying among three, cat is the cutest pet. Butterflies are prettier than grasshoppers. Prettier is the comparative form, and you are comparing two nouns, butterflies and grasshoppers. So you are saying butterflies are prettier than grasshoppers. Lions are dash than spiders. You are comparing lion and spider. So this is comparative form, and in comparative form you should use more. So dangerous is positive, more dangerous is comparative, and most dangerous is superlative. So the correct answer is more dangerous. Lions are more dangerous than spiders. Yesterday was hot, but today is even hotter. You are comparing two noun again. You are comparing yesterday with today. So yesterday was hot, but today is even hotter. So hot is the base form of the adjective and it is the positive degree, and hotter is comparative degree, and hottest is the superlative degree. Jack is the best basketball player of the season. So this is superlative. You are comparing Jack with other players. So you are saying Jack is the best basketball player of the season. And now I'll revise what we have seen in this class. I said there are 3 degrees of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative. There are different rules to use for positive and comparative and superlative. And I said positive degree is a degree of comparison used to state the quality of a person or a thing, which means in simple, it is describing a place, or it is describing a thing, or it is describing a person. So examples of positive degree adjective are long, quiet, expensive, and young. And I taught you what is adjective. Adjective is nothing, it is a describing word. It describes a noun or a pronoun. And we saw what is degrees of comparison. It is when we describe a person or a thing. And we have seen some examples of positive degree: fast, slow, big, and small. This is used for when we only describe one person or a thing, I said, and we saw some examples of it. And next, we saw degrees of comparison. The second one, comparative degree. By the word itself, you can understand what is comparative degree. This is when we compare two people or two things to each other. And the general rule to make comparative degree is adding er to the adjective. So fast is faster, slow, slower, big, bigger, small, smaller, tall, taller. And we saw some examples of comparative degree. And this is very important. When you see an adjective ending in full or V, we must use more. So painful becomes more painful. Hopeful is more hopeful. Beautiful, more beautiful. Expensive is more expensive, because expensive ends in E. So we must use more to the adjective. And there are some exceptions to this rule, and that adjectives are good, bad, many or much, little or few, far or older. So old, and it becomes older. Good becomes better. So you cannot say like good, gooder, bad, badder. It is wrong. So good, better, bad, worse, many or much more, and little or few less, and far is farther, and old is older. The last one is superlative degree. I have seen, and it is used when comparing more than two people or two things. And the general rule is to add est. He was the fastest in the bicycle race. So by seeing this est, you can identify the degree. It is superlative degree, and you are comparing him with many other in the race. She was the smartest girl in the class. The biggest house on the block was for sale. The slowest computer in the class belonged to Miss Brockway. And here, see, flexible is used with most because it ends in E. And so the superlative form is most flexible. Painful, more painful, most hopeful. most beautiful, most flexible, most expensive. So these are examples of superlative degree with most. And exceptions to the rule: good, better, best; bad, worse, worst; many, more, and most; little, few is positive form, and less is comparative form, and least is the superlative form. And we have seen some examples to identify the degree, and some exercise we have done. See, this is superlative because you are comparing cat with two other nouns, birds and bunnies. So it is superlative. Now we'll see some exercise. You are going to answer. You are going to say the missed form. Positive is bright. Comparative is brighter. And what is the superlative form? It is brightest. Second one. Positive is kind. Comparative, the general rule is to add er to the noun, so it becomes kinder. And the superlative is adding est, so it is kindest. And next is bold. The base form of the adjective is bold. It is the positive form, and nothing is added here with the adjective, so it is the base form. And comparative is adding er, bolder. In superlative, the rule is to add est, so it becomes boldest. Cold, comparative form; colder, superlative form; coldest. And comparative form, it is added with er, so cleverer. And superlative form is added with est, so cleverest. So the positive form is clever. Next, comparative form is worse, and the superlative form is worst. So what is the positive form? We have seen some exceptions to the rule, some adjectives which are exceptional. So remember, I hope. Bad is the positive form. So bad, worse, and worst. And brave, braver, and adding est to the superlative form, so it becomes bravest. Paler, palest. So the positive form is pale. Whiter and whitest. Comparative form is added with er, and superlative form is added with est, and the positive form is white. So this is how you have to do exercise. So take a word, take an adjective, and make sentences. Make sentences for positive, comparative, and superlative. Can you give me an example for this bold, bolder, and boldest. So start framing a sentence with bold, like I'm bold. You are describing only yourself. I'm bold. And bolder, I'm bolder than my brother. You are comparing yourself with your brother. So two nouns, and this is comparative. I'm bolder than my brother. And superlative, adding est to the form, and you are comparing yourself with more than two persons. You can say I'm the boldest in my family. So you are comparing yourself with all other members in your family. So I'm bold, I'm bolder than my brother. You are comparing yourself with your brother, and the superlative is you are saying you are the boldest in the family. So you, when compared to all other in the family, you are the boldest. So this is how you have to learn degrees of comparison. So we have seen so many adjectives here. So please note down all the adjectives, like positive is fast, faster and fastest, and try to make sentences for all the adjective form, fast and faster and fastest. So hope you do understand all these three degrees of comparison: positive, comparative, and superlative. And once again, see all the examples and make sentences with this most also. I'm the most beautiful girl in the class. So you are saying you are the most beautiful, which means you are comparing yourself with all other in the class. Yeah, so like that. So make sentences with more and most also. And this is very important. Remember, this will not come under any rule like adding er and adding more. So this is very important. You have to learn the correct form of the adjective here. So good, better, best. I am good, I am better than him, and I am the best in the classroom. I am the best student in the class. So this is how you have to make, try to make as many sentences as possible, so that you will get enough of knowledge in degrees of comparison. So make sentences and try to learn all the forms of